Right, so hey guys, what's going on? It's Tech Gamer here, creating a new video with a review on my GX gaming keyboard. Yep, it's I use it for CS:GO, for like normal schoolwork for school, and for normal stuff for like what's it really about? Let's jump straight into the video. And yep, so at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about some things that will be in my next videos and stuff like that. And yeah, so basically that's about it. And so let's jump into it. So as you can see, the keyboard is here. It's just plugged in, so it's just kind of table size like this. So on the first blank of the keyboard, you've got the two keys, the W with the W colored in blue here and here, which is good. So getting dark, you can see it. So you need to be looking at it like that. It's kind of good if you like. It's got a backlit keyboard, but it won't work on Mac. It only works on Windows, and as you know from my other videos, I've got Mac. It's kind of annoying, but there's other shops and none. It works on Mac, but clearly it doesn't work on Mac because it's something like that, guys. And anyway, at the back, it's got those like lip things, so it's like nice and it stands up. Or if you don't like it, you can just put it flat, but it kind of jiggles, like it wobbles. So that's why I have it, the back things on like that. So first, the keys are very nice. It's not really mechanical. That's the space bar, normal keys. And yeah, so you get like a glance. It's not a mechanical keyboard. It's completely fits a mechanical keyboard. But however, I'm saving it for my mechanical keyboard from Razer. And yeah, it's got it's normal keyboard. It's got the right button inside. Because I live in Dubai, it's got the Arabic writing on it, which I really hate. I just want normal keys, but unfortunately you can't get normal keys, which is stupid. And that's about it for the review. It's perfectly good for gaming and CS:GO and stuff like that. I'll definitely recommend you getting it. As like I said before, really good keyboard. Really hope you guys like this review. Make sure, there's a button at the bottom. It's called a red subscribe button. I'm begging you to click that subscribe button for more videos, better than these videos, and hopefully get some more subscribers. Hit that like button, share it, and yeah. And so now I'll talk to you about for the next videos. So as you guys know, I just did my keyboard review, a setup video. There's the LED lights behind my bed. You can't see because they're not lit up. I haven't switched on yet. I did a review on those. Setup. What else I did a review on? Building my beginner dream setup. It was named wrong, which is kind of annoying. But it doesn't really matter. And I did a review on my Turtle Beach, my Cyborg mouse, and as you guys, I don't think you know, I've got a new Razer Tapan mouse, as you knew from my other video, my gaming setup video. I'll be doing a review on that later on. I'm not sure when I should do it though, but yeah. And so that's about it. I'm not going to tell you any more about the videos because I don't want to spoil it for you guys. I might do a video. I might do a cable management video, because as you guys know, my cable management is rubbish. It's basically cables everywhere. But forget all that. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really hope you hit the subscribe button, like button, share it with friends, add a comment section below because I want to do a Q&A. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.